Raise your hands if you cry when you get extremely angry. Yeah? Well, it's not a weakness. It's actually something quite special. You see, the part of our brain that deals with tears and anger is the same. The amygdala. Basically, it's the part of the brain that controls feelings, amongst other things. Now, sometimes when you get angry, the pathway gets wired a little bit differently for some people. And instead of furiously bursting out in anger, saying something aggressively, your brain goes to the tears pathway and you start crying. So it's not a weakness, it's just that you're wired very differently. Who does this happen to and why? It happens mainly to people who are highly empathetic. In simple English, it's basically those who are able to feel how others are feeling, how emotionally intelligent you are, putting yourself in other people's shoes, feeling what they are feeling. And also it happens more to women due to hormonal changes. Now, coming back to highly empathetic people, people who can feel what others are feeling, this, of course, is due to a combination of factors. For example, your upbringing, your past experiences, genetics. So all these factors play a part in you becoming more empathetic. So, the next time you cry when you are angry, just remember it's just that you are wired differently. And times where you really do feel like crying for different reasons, remember, tears are a way for your entire body to relax. It's a way for your entire system to reset. So it's something really powerful. But if you would like to control it for some reason, take a deep breath in, count of 4, hold for a slow count of 1, and you exhale. Secondly, you can always look up to prevent the tears from falling. And thirdly, press your tongue on the roof of your mouth. You can't see, but I was doing it. But remember, tears are a natural part of your system to cleanse out the toxins and to help you to relax. Remember, they are natural. Crying is definitely not a weakness. And remember that any kind of feelings is completely valid. So, wear your heart on your sleeve and go out there and feel whatever comes naturally to you. Enjoy the animated video. See you next time.
Ever cried when you're furious? You're not broken. It's your brain doing something clever. Anger and tears share the same brain pathway. Sometimes your brain takes the shortcut straight to crying. Society says crying is weakness. That's wrong. It's your brain releasing pressure. You're still strong. The fix? Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 1, then let it out. This calms the shortcut. And if you need to cry, let it out. It's natural. You're allowed. Your feelings are valid. Faith is not control. Faith is sitting with the closed door until it becomes an opening. You are not forgotten.
She looked up. Love never left. It just changed shape.